Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the warranty information about your HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. In order to check your warranty status, we're gonna have to open the web browser, then go to Google, and let's search for HP warranty check. We should get the support.hp.com / your country / check warranty website in the result. Open it. Then here on this page you're gonna have to select country or region of purchase if you know it. Just select it from the list and then enter the serial number of your laptop. And the serial number can either be found on the back side of your laptop, right here. Here we have the serial number and the product number. Or if you cannot find it on the back side of your laptop, you can find it in BIOS, and we have a separate video on our channel that explains how to check your serial number in BIOS easily, so you're highly welcome to go and check it out if you're struggling to find your serial number. Now once you enter your serial number right here, which I'm about to do, you will most likely be prompted to enter the product number as well. So make sure to write down both your serial number and your product number. So let's enter the serial number right here. Click submit. Okay, and here we're gonna have to enter the product number too. So let's enter the product number. It's right next to your serial number on the label. But even if you don't have your serial number info, it's no problem. I'm also gonna show you how to go around this method and how to check your device's warranty in a different way. So as you can see here, my warranty is active. And we can check all the information about the warranty here below. And now, if you don't know, maybe you know your purchase region, maybe you can't find your serial number anywhere. In such case, we can simply download the HP Support Assistant application, which will check everything and let us know about everything related to our PC. So let's open the official support.hp.com website with HP Support Assistant and click download HP Support Assistant 9, or maybe when you're watching it there is a newer version. And let's run this installation file. We can close our browser at this point and just wait for the installation process to start running. Okay, click yes right here and then click next to proceed. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Of course, you can also read the license agreement in here. Then click next to proceed. Then let's click next once again. And then wait for the program to be installed. Okay, so now let's close the window, installation window. Once the HP Support Assistant is installed, we will also get the icon on the desktop, so just click on it. Wait until your HP Support Assistant is prepared. It might take a while. Then we'll see the greeting screen, which will kindly ask us to sign into our HP account, but we don't have to do this. So for now, let's just wait. Okay, here click continue as guest right here, and on the first page you will be able to see the warranty status. Click on warranty and you will see entire information about your device's warranty, even without entering your serial number or your product number. Yeah, and this page just also takes some time to load, so let's just give it a moment. Okay, and so that's basically all the ways that you can check the warranty status of your laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.